Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this Mimio Mimioteach projector pointing device, then please visit the link provided in the description. Imagine turning a regular projector into an interactive touchscreen without spending thousands on a full smartboard. That's exactly what this small yet powerful device does. The Mimio Mimioteach projector pointing device transforms any standard whiteboard into an interactive teaching or presentation surface instantly. It's lightweight, portable, and designed to make lessons and presentations far more engaging. Setup is incredibly straightforward. The device attaches magnetically to a whiteboard, eliminating any need for screws or permanent installation. Plug it into a laptop via USB and your whiteboard instantly becomes a responsive canvas. Every motion of the included pen translates to the screen with minimal delay, allowing seamless writing, drawing, and pointing. It's intuitive enough that anyone can start using it without a tutorial, but robust enough to handle more advanced features for classrooms and offices alike. The technology behind the device uses infrared and ultrasonic tracking, ensuring highly accurate pointer movements. Even at the edges of the board, tracking remains precise, avoiding the common jitter or lag issues found in lower-end alternatives. Performance is smooth, allowing for real-time annotations and gestures that feel natural. It turns any static content into interactive, dynamic visuals that grab attention. Portability is another standout feature. The lightweight bar fits in a backpack, making it easy to carry between rooms or buildings. Teachers, trainers, or presenters can set up an interactive session anywhere with a projector, instantly upgrading their content delivery. This is perfect for schools that don't have permanent smartboard installations or for businesses that want a flexible mobile solution for presentations. The accompanying software enhances the device even further. Users can annotate over slides, videos, and images, record lessons or presentations, and even allow multiple participants to interact simultaneously. This multi-user capability encourages engagement, whether in classrooms or collaborative office sessions. It also supports remote and hybrid learning, making it a versatile solution in today's tech-driven education and business environments. While it's a powerful tool, there are a few considerations. Calibration is required when moving to a new whiteboard to maintain tracking accuracy. Pens require charging, and lighting conditions can affect performance depending on the projector's brightness. Despite these minor limitations, it remains far more cost-effective and practical than installing a full-sized smartboard system. This device empowers educators, trainers, and presenters to engage their audience more effectively. It transforms lessons from static slides into interactive experiences and makes presentations more compelling. By enabling users to write, highlight, and manipulate content in real time, it turns traditional projection setups into dynamic interactive surfaces. In short, the Mimio Mimioteach offers a smart, portable, and budget-friendly way to upgrade any projector. It bridges the gap between expensive smartboards and standard projection, giving users the tools to create engaging, interactive sessions without breaking the bank. Whether it's in a classroom, conference room, or training session, it's a practical innovation that makes content come alive. Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this Mimio Mimioteach projector pointing device, then please visit the link provided in the description.